Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we're talking about the Series 3 1979. So it's back here at our house, so I'm going to start working on it. As you can see, lots of space inside there. I want to change the hangers here at the back straight to normal or original, and we already start working on the axle here. The guy was also putting the axle underneath the springs, leaf springs, so we did that, but we have to still work on it a little bit, and the steering rods and so on. So still original engine inside here also. So there's some work going to be done, and stay tuned to see how the progress is going on.